Hello everyone. Let's try to find what is the output of the following Java program. The data given to us is a equals to 5, b equals to 6, x equals to 0, and we have to find what will be the output of this equation. And based on that, we are doing system.out.print value of a at the end of the program, value of b, and value of x. So let's begin. We have the equation typed over here. Now the initial values are given to us for the three variables. A equals to 5, b equals to 6, and x equals to 0. So let's try to find what will be the output of this program. So x equals to, I'm writing the equation over here in my way. Pre-increment plus a. Plus a means you increment the value of a, which will become 6, and you write 6 over here. So now we have written plus a. After that, you have a plus sign, so we'll just put the same plus sign down in our equation. Then you have pre-decrement b, that means you decrease the value of b. Minus b means 6 minus 1, b will become 5, and we use that 5 in our equation. So minus b is also done. Then you have the plus sign, we'll put the plus sign as it is in our equation, so plus sign is done. Then you have post increment b, so we write the value of b as it is in our equation, and after writing the value, we increment the value of b. 5 plus 1, b will become 6. So b plus is done. Now we use this plus sign, we put it as it is in our equation. Now the next part is b plus plus, that means post increment b. Post increment b means we'll use the current value of b, which is 6. So b plus plus, and then we increase the value of b to 7. Again, plus sign, we'll just use it as it is in our equation. And then we have minus a, that is pre-decrement a. So a will now become 5, and we'll put the value 5 instead of minus a. So we have the equation for x. So x equals to 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 11 plus 6, 11 plus 5, which will be 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 5, 27. So x equals to 27. So this will become the new value of x. Now when we do system.out.print a, our value of a will be equal to 5. When we do system.out.print b, value of b will be equal to 7. And when we do system.out.print x, the value of x will be equal to 27. Now let's check if the answer is right by running our Java program. So let's try to run this Java program and figure out if our answer is right. A equals to 5, b equals to 7, and x equals to 27. A equals to 5, b equals to 7, and x equals to 27. Let's do a few more examples so we can understand how to solve an equation like this. Okay guys, let's look at one more example. The initial value, I'm just going to keep it at same. A equals to 5, b equals to 6, and x equals to 0. We have the following equation over here, x equals to, and then we are going to do system.out.print value of a, b, and x, like we did in our last program. So I have copied the equation over here. Let's try to solve this equation and get the value of x. Now the initial value of a is 5, b is 6, and x is 0. Now based on this information, let's make our equation, which is x equals to. The first thing what we see is b minus minus. That means it is a post decrement. So we use the current value of b, which is 6. And after writing the 6, we decrease the value of b which will be 5. Now the negative sign goes as it is in our equation. After the negative sign, we have plus plus a, that means pre-increment. So a will now becomes 5 plus 1, 6. And I will write, instead of plus plus a over here, I will write 6. After 6, we have a positive sign, so we put the addition sign over here. After the addition sign, we have pre-increment a, so a will become 6 plus 1, 7. And instead of plus plus a, I will put 7. After plus plus a, we have the addition sign, so that goes as it is in our equation. After the addition sign, we have pre-decrement b, so now b will become 5 minus 1, 4. And instead of minus minus b, I will write 4 over here. Minus sign goes as it is. Again, minus sign goes as it is in our equation. And after the negative sign, we have pre-decrement b. So again, b will become 4 minus 1, 3. And instead of minus minus b, we use 3. So 6 plus and 6 minus will become 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. So x equals to 8, a equals to 7, b equals to 3 at the end of the program. Now let's check if our program answers are right. So here I have already compiled the program. There are no errors. So let me just run the program and get the answer. Okay, a equals to 7, b equals to 3, and x equals to 8, which is the same answer we got in our worksheet. 7, 3, and 8. 7, 3, and 8. Let's try one more example.